So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like the Infosys, edgeverse, Amazon and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity, that is from the edgeverse, and this is a Infosys company. So they are hiring for the role of system engineer EB, and BE BTech 2025 graduates can apply. So those who are eligible must apply for this. There is strong chance of getting the reward mail and you will be getting the things. Okay. So talking about the important criteria and other things. So first of all, job locations will be Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, and candidates who graduated in previous year need not apply. Candidates who currently have backlog, they are not required to apply and they are not eligible for this. And we currently work on hybrid model, so work from office for 3 days per week is mandatory, and these are the locations. So must apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Infosys. So finally, they have again announced the hiring for the 2026 pass out. So the things I want to tell, that if you have already applied and if you are in the process of Infosys exam, then don't apply. But those who have missed the exam earlier, you can apply now. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity and you can apply, but those who are in the current system, don't apply for that. Going to next details, this is from the S&P Global. They are hiring for the role of apprentice data analyst role, and the job locations will be Ahmedabad, India, Gurgaon, Mumbai. Okay, so about the roles, you can go through it, and duration of apprentice will be 12 months, and these will be your roles and responsibility. You will be responsible for high quality data collections, understanding the working of the data set, delivering the predefined individual and team targets, troubleshooting and other things are there. So just go through complete things. Now talking about the who are eligible for this, so fresh graduates with the commerce background like BBA, BMS, BCom, passing year 2025 can apply for that, and other branches you can just go through it. So this is a wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. The knowledge of Excel, PowerPoint, and other requirements are there. Moving to next, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of big data engineer and confidential. So Tamil Nadu locations will be there, and these will be roles and responsibility. You will keep up to date with big data technology, work with team, and other requirements are there. So for this, only 2025 or 2024 who have experience of at least 1 year can apply for this, and you should have knowledge of SQL and other things are there. Moving to next, friends, before that, TCS have announced the result currently, and those who selected for the interview, if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form in the description. We'll provide you complete guidance and help you to clear this interview. Next important opportunity for the technical and non-technical process, that is from the Wipro. So they have announced that. So this will be mainly technical and non-technical backgrounds preferred, and pursuing candidates are not eligible. So those who have completed in 2025 can apply, those who have degree with it. So you can directly fill the form link in the descriptions. Okay, so these are the details you have to provide. So how do you know about this company, current CTC, another you can apply. So this is Wipro, so you can apply. There is strong chance of getting reward. Okay, and job locations will be, I think, Salt Lake or for multiple locations. So Wipro Kolkata they are hiring, so you should be eligible, means you should be basically flexible for various job location. Moving to next, that is for the role of full stack developer intern. So job locations will be Coimbatore, and total 2 positions are there. So if you have knowledge of MongoDB, Next.js, React.js and other, then you can directly apply for this, and you can contact them and send your resume to this mail ID. Moving to last important opportunity, so they are hiring for the role of trainee executive production IFF, CT, and freshers are eligible for this. And if you have some experience also, you can apply. So SAP, MS Excel basics and other requirements are there. So diploma, BSc, and any graduates can apply for this. And just go through it. So salary you can expect till 5 LPA. So BSc, any graduates can apply. Hope informative too. For getting such important job updates, you can subscribe us. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask her. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, anywhere. You can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.